I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace the engine air filter on a 2016 Nissan Sentra. Start with the engine off and cool, then prop the hood securely. Remove loose debris from the engine bay so the filter box stays clean. Keep a clean rag nearby to wipe the box seam. Work in good light and set screws or clips aside in a small container to avoid losing them. With the hood up, feel for the air box along the right front of the engine bay and undo the cover clips or screws. Take care not to force any plastic tabs to avoid breaking them. Lift the cover gently and support it so it does not stress the intake hose. Inspect the box interior for built-up leaves or dirt and remove loose debris before pulling the old filter out. If you are finding the video helpful, please subscribe and like so I can make more guides you can trust. Quick recommendation: the Echo Dot smart speaker makes a great workshop companion for timers, step reminders, and playlists while you work on your Sentra. I use it to set a 2-minute check timer when refitting parts, and it keeps my hands free. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Remove the dirty filter straight up and note how it's seated in the box, then compare it to the replacement to confirm fit. Insert the new element with the rubber gasket flush to the sealing surface so unfiltered air cannot bypass it. Reattach the cover and fasteners evenly to prevent gaps, then do a final check for tools and loose parts before lowering the hood and starting the car for a quick idle check.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.